How to delete your booking.com account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll show you how you can actually delete your booking.com account. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to delete your booking.com account, it is very simple. All you have to do is open your browser and then go to booking.com, which is of course the official website. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box, and then make sure you're signed into the account that you want to delete. And then once you come to this website over here, on the very top right hand side, you'll be able to see your profile name, right? So you just want to go ahead and click on your profile name, and then you want to go to where it says manage account at the top right hand side of the screen. Once you go to the option called manage account, you'll basically come to this page right over here, where it'll take you to your account settings page. Over here, you want to navigate and then look for the option called security, and then just tap on manage account security, which you see over here. Once you go to security, on the left hand side, once again just make sure you're under the security tab, and on the right hand side you'll find the security button. To delete our account, scroll to the bottom. At the very bottom you'll find the option called permanently delete your booking.com account. So all you have to do is on the right hand side you'll also find another button that says delete account. You just want to click on that option. So right over here it says why do you want to delete your account. So over here you have to select other, because if you select this it'll ask you to just edit it out. So in this case I'll just select other over here, and then I'll just select any of the reasons why I want to delete it, and then I'll just choose the option called delete account from the bottom right hand side of the screen. As I do that, we received a request. Check your inbox right over here to finish deleting your account. So in this case you have to go ahead and then navigate to the email address associated with your booking.com account. Now at the very top you can see request to close your account. Just click on it, and then here all you have to do is confirm it by tapping on the option called delete account. Once you do that, your booking.com account will be successfully deleted. And that's all it takes to delete your booking.com account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.